Sankranti is celebrated every year in the month of January and marks the termination of winter season and beginning of the new harvest season. Dedicated to Surya Dev, on this auspicious day, the sun enters the zodiac sign of Capricorn, Makar, and that is why the festival is named as Makar Sankranti. From this day, the sun begins its northward journey, and that is why this festival is also called Uttarayan. Sankranti is believed to be an avatar of the goddess who killed her demon named Sankarasur. The other historical stories goes by the belief that Lord Surya visits his son Shani on this day, and King Bhagirath liberated his ancestors from the curse after bringing river Ganga on earth. Also, Bhishma Pitamaha decided to leave earth on this day, and Lord Vishnu buried the Asuras under Thamandara Parvat. On this auspicious festival, Lord Ayappa acts himself as a divine Makar Jyoti that shines in the sky above Shabrimala hills to bless his devotees. Celebrated as the festival of kites in some places, preparing Pongal in other, and performing joyous dance of Lohri and Bihu, farmers harvesting the crops and by exchanging jaggery and sesame savors, this festival is celebrated with great enthusiasm throughout India. Happy Makar Sankranti to all.
ಸ್ವಾಮಿಗೆ ಆರತಿ, ಭೂಮಿಗೆ ಕೀರತಿ, ಬಂಗಾರ ತಲೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಂಗಾಳಿ ಮನೆ ಮನೆಗೆ, ಸಂತೋಷ ಹಿರಿಗಿ ಚಂದಾದ ಮುಗುಳುಗೆ, ಸುಗ್ಗಿ ಸಿರಿ ಅರಳಿತು ಗಲಗಲ ಗಲಗಲ ಸವಿಯುವ ಸೀಪಲೋ, ತುಂಬಿ ತುಳುಕಲಿ ಆನಂದ ಕಲರವನಾಡಿಗೆ, ಕೀರತಿ ಹೇ ಭೂಮಿಗೆ ಆರತಿ, ಸಂತೋಷ ಹಿರಿಗಿ ಚಂದಾದ ಮುಗುಳುನಗೆ, ಬಂಗಾರ ತೆನೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಂಗಾಳಿ ಮನೆ ಮನೆಗೆ, ನಮ್ಮಮ್ಮ 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 ಭೂಮಿ ತಾಯಮ್ಮ, ಭೂಮಿ ತಾಯಮ್ಮ, ನಮ್ಮಮ್ಮ 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 ಭೂಮಿ ತಾಯಮ್ಮ, ಭೂಮಿ ತಾಯಮ್ಮ. ಈ ಸುಗ್ಗಿ ತಂದವಳಾರಮ್ಮ, ನಮ್ಮಮ್ಮ ನಮ್ಮಮ್ಮ ಈ ಹುಗ್ಗಿ ತಂದವಳಾರಮ್ಮ, ಭೂಮಿ ತಾಯಮ್ಮ. ಈ ಅಂಬಲಿ ತಂದವಳಾರಮ್ಮ, ನಮ್ಮಮ್ಮ ನಮ್ಮಮ್ಮ ಈ ಓಕುಳಿ ತಂದವಳಾರಮ್ಮ, ಭೂಮಿ ತಾಯಮ್ಮ. ಒಂದು ನೆಲ್ಲು ಚೆಲ್ಲಿದರೆ ರಾಶಿ ಮಾಡುವ ಇವಳದೇನು ಕರುಣೆ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯೋ, ನಮ್ಮಮ್ಮ 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 ಭೂಮಿ ತಾಯಮ್ಮ, ಭೂಮಿ ತಾಯಮ್ಮ. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಮಕರ ಸಂಕ್ರಾಂತಿ ಹಬ್ಬದ ಹಾರ್ದಿಕ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು.